This is our electronic lock system using LabVIEW and MyRIO, a matrix keyboard or keypad, an HC06 Bluetooth UART. This is a breakout board for the GPS module on here. We have a buzzer and we have a relay, and the relay operates the electromagnetic lock. So enter in our default code, hit A, that locks it. Enter the code in again, hit B, it unlocks. Now we'll enter the code and hit C. Now we're in a learn mode. We'll enter a new code, followed by D. Now this is our new code. You see the old code doesn't do anything anymore. So we'll enter our new code again, go back into learn mode. We'll reprogram in the original code. Now we have our original code. So we have a tablet connected using a Bluetooth VT100 terminal emulator, and this is the raw data coming from the GPS, and we just have it passed right on through to the Bluetooth module to transmit out. On here we made a screen looking at raw UART data that's coming in from the GPS, and it's the same data that's on the tablet. This is the on the MyRIO. This is the ARM processor, its total percent of use. And as we decrease the time on our loops that are processing code, you can see that really increases the CPU usage. So we try to minimize that so it's available for other functions. This is the timestamp that is stripped off of the NMEA message coming from the GPS module. So we adjusted for deviation from GMT time, and we also put in a daylight savings time option. We don't have GPS lock right now, so this time is not accurate. We also don't have our latitude and longitude because we don't have the GPS lock. When it enters the UART loop, which actually grabs the data from the buffer, this LED will light, so we know that it's actually updating. This keypad shows the delay for the scan, and also if you press a button, it shows in a binary weighted system which button you pressed. It's 2 to the n 16-bit. And this is our front panel, which has LEDs that emulate the actual LEDs on the hardware, and it also shows the state that we're in. And the URL is right here where we parse data and we add in latitude, longitude. It will email the location of the electronic lock if it were in a mobile situation. We have one for lock and one for unlock, and you can add users in right here. This passcode shows the current code, but it will be locked, as administrator access when the lock is active.